Habari zenu? Its warriors and its heroes. And they are well documented in history. The second liberation had its warriors and its heroes, and well documented. This is now a different period. And you cannot tell me that the people of the past periods, warriors and heroes, are continually going to fight new wars and new challenges. This is a time for change.
Na ithu tutire na thire wa mundu thiine wa Mount Kenya tutire thire wa mundu ati mundu oke atwire ati twina thire wa mundu gutire thire ithu twina guo wa mundu ithu kira twina bata nakio ni bururi wa Kenya uthie na mbere haria Kibaki utigeire hau nake Uhuru atindikite nginya mwaka uyu ungi nigetha arikie project ciake arikia project ciake nake Mheshimiwa Njimwanji gioke nake atindika hangi
na officials baba kiatha baciandikithitie nundu kuma rojo twina gintu gigwitwa mass registration anto baba karinga kura nenko bwakikishia tugeta Kasarani wala we tayari asindana na Jimmy Wanjigi na twina imani ndene Kenya utwo komba kumuchinda.